दर्शक बंधु आम ए टीएससी गुरुकुल परिसर अच्छु ये क्लासरूम रे पिला मानकर विज्ञान मेला चली साइंस एग्जिबिशन चलू सहित कथा हाँ सी कौन कौन एक्सपेरिमेंट कर कौन नुआ कर चलू प्रतिक्रिया नवा बुझा चलतु।
Myself, Roshan Kumar Pradhan. Man, the air pressure, we generally know that the water flow from the up to down. In this air pressure, we kept a straw like that only. That the water will flow from down to up. From that is not flowing. If we create some pressure like balloon pressure. Help. The water will flow. So if we block the pressure, the water will slow down, and if we all continue the pressure, the water will flow. Like that only with the air pressure bottle experiment is working.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Swayamsri Patnaik from class 11. Today I am going to explain about the universal laws of gravitation. This means that universal laws of gravitation was given by Newton, Sir Isaac Newton. So, this is also known as the Newton's law of gravitation. This gravitation means that every object in this universe attacks every other object with the force of gravity. Because this is the force of gravity, this force is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square distance between them. So I have taken two masses, that is M1 and M2. This M1 and M2 are the product of the two masses, means F is directly proportional to M1 and M2. Here I have written F is directly proportional to M1 and M2. It is equation 1, and this is the force is inversely proportional to square distance between them, and this is F is inversely proportional to 1 by r square, equation 2. If we will combine the both two equations, it will form the F is equal to Z M1 M2 by r square. That is the derivation.
So the use of heart is that it pumps the blood. So first of all, the deoxygenated blood from our lower and upper part, it comes to right atrium through superior and inferior vena cava. So when it gets filled and get contracted, then it went to right ventricle. Then the deoxygenated blood from right ventricle, it went to lungs through pulmonary artery. Then it gets oxygenated, and then it comes to left atrium. And then when it gets contracted, and then it went to left ventricle, and then from it went to all through the body through aorta. So this is how it works.
So this is an album in which we are going back in time, and in this we have the Indian history, the timeline on Indian history, and we have the civilization in which it is arranged in a descending order, and this show the descending order. It is arranged in descending order. The period are arranged in descending order. The years and the events are organized. If we go back in time, it will look like this. There are many empires here, dynasties. In old India, the women are not given that the freedom, but now the women are given the freedoms and the rights which they want. the work they want to do, they can do there. And we have many smart smart industries that make machines. And the drainage system is more improved now than before.
Now, along with my friends, we have done a project regarding the application related to refraction of light. So, we will show that how the inner glass is becoming invisible. So, we are doing this, you can see. So, now you can see the glass is become invisible as the light refracts and reflects when it reaches any index of refraction. Here the glass is became invisible because the refractive index of oil is almost equal to the refractive index of glass. That's why it is not allowing to reflect the light between oil and glass. That's why it became invisible.
Actually एटा होची हमर गोटे शिक्षा सप्ताह चली जोटा कि सीबीएसई द्वारा 22nd to 27th हमर चलिबो. एवरी डे वी आर गोइंग टू डू सम और द अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स माने सबुदिन आमको गोटे गोटे टॉपिक दियाई. आज आमर टॉपिक थिला एनी फिजिकल गेम्स रिगार्डिंग साइंस एंड मैथमेटिक्स, देन टाइमलाइन ऑफ आवर इंडिया मॉडर्न टाइम right from the medieval period till modern time. And even commerce students, they have done about the Odisha business strategies, how it is increasing. And even we have made, some of the students have made some slogans regarding some theme like save water, help the CWSN, that is children with special need. So they have drawn and they have made some captions. So I think really they have learnt a lot by doing all these things. Right from LKG to 12th, they are being divided into 4 groups. 4 group रे divided चंदी जोटा कि अलगा अलगा क्लास से थर इन्वॉल्व होइछि. आमर सेकेंडरी ग्रुप थिला जोटा कि 11th 12th पिलांकर थिला. अकॉर्डिंग टू देम सब्जेक्ट भी सेमती दियाई. लोअर माने प्री प्राइमरी पिला मानंकु लाइक जादुई पिटारा समथिंग माने लर्निंग टीचिंग मेथड रे तांकु गेम द्वारा मेथोडोलॉजी रे तांकु केमती पढ़ाई परिया पिला न डरंतु कि स्कूल को आसिया को दे शुड हैव इंटरेस्ट इन कमिंग टू स्कूल. तो यही सब जिनस छोट मोट जिनस आम करिया को चेष्टा करथिलु एंड आवर चिल्ड्रन हैज पुट मोर एफर्ट एंड आई थिंक वी आर सक्सेसफुल. Yeah, obviously without the guidance of the teacher it was not possible. Student interest, teachers interest, it is a mane cooperative that we have to go together, student teacher together, then only it is possible. एटा हमर आज पूरा दिन स्टार्ट करिथिलु स्टार्टिंग रु. सो पिला किछि करिथिले आ बाहरु माने अलगा क्लास पिला भी आसी कि तांको देखिथिले. इट्स प्रिपरेशन टाइम दियाइतला तापरे एग्जिबिशन टाइम भी दियाइतला. चिल्ड्रेन ताको एक्सप्लेन करथिले कि केमिति एटा काहे कि होची. जेमति आपण साइंस रे देखिथिबे प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ वाटर, आमे केमति मडी वाटर को आमे डिस्टिल्ड करिकि वी कैन गेट क्लियर वाटर. एटी फिल्टर किछि दरकार नै जेमति आगो कर होइतला. आउ इवन मैथमेटिक्स रे से माने 100 years रो कैलेंडर बनैथिले. माने इट इज अ रियली अ टीचिंग that a child is getting through this. तो CBSE has taken a very good step regarding this.
मोबाइल फोन और सांगसाथी आपणक पिलाटीर पाठपढ़ा और कैरियर को प्रभावित करुछि कि आपण सेति पे विब्रत कि तेबे आज ही आसंतु आपण चाहूतिबा मन लागी संपूर्ण आवासिक स्कूल TSG गुरुकुल गोठवा